Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, some unknown reason, the clutch is sticking in this thing. I don't get it. But anyways, I want to renew the speed test. I want to see how fast this thing actually goes. Then, what I want to do, we will add 108 octane to the tank. And then we'll redo the test. Hopefully by that time the clutch will have freed up. And see if we get any faster. If that don't work, I want to do a sprocket change. Now, the torque converter came with a 10 tooth and a 12 tooth. So I want to see what it'll do with the 12 tooth. So let me get you set up in the street here, and hopefully I can get this thing started long enough to get it to go. All right. Let's see what we did. I don't know if you can see it. 34 miles an hour. That's pretty good. 34 miles an hour. That is really good. So, we're going to add some octane booster. I'm still having trouble with this clutch. It's the first time it locked up. Now this is supposed to be good for 21 gallons, so it shouldn't take much. That's all we're going to put in there. Only a couple ounces. Okay, so off to the side. It'll take a little while for it to get down to the carburetor. Let's get it mixed up. Okay, let's give it a try. Alright. Huh. I'm going to have to try that again. It didn't read it. Oh, I hate some apps. It's so much easier.
Curiosity with Lens in the Google app. New ways to search with Google.
Stop. Alright. Let's try that again. I walked 2 miles an hour. Alright. 32. That's it. So, the first time, I believe I got 34. Let me see this. No, it says 32. That's all the faster this thing will go with a 10-tooth sprocket. I would think the 108 octane would give me an extra, but the one thing it does do, it gives me right off the line, boom, go. As I'm coming to wide open, it goes into valve overlap. I got 22-pound springs in there. The original ones were 18. I shouldn't have that, but that's just the way it is. So I'm going to take it in the barn, and we are going to pull the thing apart, and we're going to put a different sprocket on. And if I have enough daylight, we'll be able to take another test drive. If not, I'll let you know. Okay, we got the cover off. I'm not exactly sure as to why this thing is, why is it so hot? God, I guess it's just because it's hot. I don't know why it's tight like that, but I got the 12 tooth, and we're going to get it put on here. Takes a 24 millimeter. I think it's hot. I don't know. I might need gloves just to get this thing off. Let me see. What's this one? 10. Ooh. Yeah, that sucker's hot. Let's run it hard. My fat butt on here. Yeah, you gotta run it hard just to get some move. You get something to get that off with. Towel. Don't have any gloves in here. Well, you figure out what's going on with it. Torque runner. Ooh, man. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Going off. This one off. Alright. Say one thing, this sucker's hot. But, you know? Now, we're going to have to loosen the engine up to get this thing off. So, let me get my tools out and get this thing loosened up. Okay. I got all this back together. Got the engine tightened up. The only thing we really left to do is to tighten the chain. Can't understand why it's so loose. Oh well, we'll figure it out. So next thing we got to do is get this belt on. The flat side will go to here. It's like that. Then we need to get the keyway lined up. Boy, this thing is still hot, guys. Whew. Okay. This thing goes on. Like that. And then this bolt. This is the bolt I had to get because the other one was too short. Let me get my wrench. That's a 10 millimeter. Okay. See, I don't understand is why is it trying to turn the engine over? I guess the belt's not broken in yet. But next, I got to get this loose chain. I got the engine all the way forward, so I don't understand what changed. But we'll get it. Be right back. Okay, I got it back together. And I tell you, 32 I think is pretty quick for this thing, pretty fast. But the one thing about this is its response off the line. I just kind of wish that I could have geared it a little bit for it to go forward faster instead of rearing up. Let's see what it does. Cool. Choke the thing. Yeah, the wheel's going around. That's what I call it. Stop. I can't even stop it. The clutch is sticking. And that's a problem. That means I can't sit here and idle with this thing. Got to figure out why the clutch is sticking. But that's it for this video. It's too late to go outside, and plus it wouldn't make any difference because I couldn't change the gear because the sprocket was for the wrong chain. But the clutch sticking, it was not like that when I put it on there originally. So what changed? Me riding it, that's the only difference. Adjusting the carburetor, I didn't do nothing to the clutch. Now I did find on the sprocket, somehow, I guess when I put the thing together, I put the washer on the wrong side. Now I know one thing that would help, believe it or not, that belt seems like it's way too tight. It could be the wrong belt. You never know. But that's it for this video. See you next time.